Hello. Welcome to my channel. We will learn the alphabet, from English to Chinese, step by step. It will be fun and easy. You can learn. You can practice. Let's enjoy learning together. One letter at a time. Please subscribe. Join me on this journey. 大家好，欢迎来到我的频道。我们要学习字母，从英语到中文，一步一步来。学习会很有趣，也很简单。你可以学习，你可以练习。让我们一起快乐地学习，一次学一个字母。请订阅我的频道，和我一起开始段旅程。A I apple 苹果。B 宝 ball 球。C caterpillar 毛毛虫。D 大 dog 狗。E egg 蛋。Thank you for watching.